Hello student, today we are going to start a new subtopic that is method of factorization. So in this method we have to delete some factor. So what is that factor? Suppose it is z tends to 2. Means z tends to 2, then we have to delete z minus 2 factor of this quadratic equation. There are many quadratic equations or polynomial equation, cubic equation. Then that time you have to first factorize it and then cancel the factor connected to limit. Means if z tends to minus a, then you have to delete factor z plus a. Okay. After deleting this factor, you can apply the limit, then you get your answer. Now let us start to solve exercise 7.2 and our first example is this. So here we have to first take it as L. L means limit. So L is equal to limit z tends to 2 and write it as now you know that this is the quadratic equation and you have to find the factor of this quadratic equation. So it's 6 and minus 5. So we have to find the factors. 6, it's minus 5, so it is minus 3, minus 2. So this is our factor and I am simplifying here. There is no need to simplify in this example. So it is minus 3z minus 2z plus 6, z common, z minus 3 minus 2, here also z minus 3. So z minus 3 and z minus 2. It is only for your understanding, okay? Not need to write here. So limit z tends to 2. The factor is z minus 2 and z minus 3. And it is like that z square minus 2 square. You know that the formula that is a square minus b square, its expansion is a minus b and a plus b. So a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So I am writing here limit z tends to 2. This is z minus 2, z minus 3 and this is z minus 2 and z plus 2. Now you can observe that this z minus 2 get cancelled. So now apply the limit. After cancelling, you can apply the limit. So apply the limit means put the value of limit. So it is 2 minus 3 upon 2 plus 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 means L is equal to minus 1 upon 4. So this is your answer. You can observe that limit z tends to 2 means we have to remove the factor z minus 2, and after removing or after eliminating factor z minus 2 in this expression, you can apply the limit, then you get your value. Because if you not remove this factor, then your answer will get infinity. So it is wrong. That's why you have to must remove the factor z minus 2. It is very simple example. Now we move towards next example. Now next example. So first take it as L. Now you can observe that this is y tends to 0 means you have to remove y minus 0 or y plus 0 means you have to remove only y. Understand? Y square, y cube. You have to remove only that factor, then you get your answer. So in this step you can observe that y square is common. So take y square common, write remaining 5y plus 8. When you take y square common, then here only remaining 8 and here remaining 1y. Upon here also y square common and the remaining terms are 3y square minus 16. Now this y square get cancelled. So limit y tends to 0, write remaining terms which is 5y plus 8 upon 3y square minus 16. Now apply the limit. So 5 into 0 plus 8 upon 3 into 0 square is 0 and this is minus 16. So 5 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 8 is 8 and 3 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 16 means it is minus 16. So our final answer is minus 1 by 2. You can observe that after eliminating one factor, it is very simple. Example, when you eliminate y, then you can directly apply the limit, so you get your answer. Now next example, limit delta x tends to 0 and this expression. So first take it as L and write all the expression. So here observe that delta x tends to 0 means you have to remove delta x or delta x square cube. Means delta x, when you remove delta x, then you get your answer. So for that, now here it is suppose a plus b whole square. So we know that the formula that a plus b whole square, what is that formula? Which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means first square, then plus 2 into first and then second square. So using that formula here, x square plus 2x into delta x plus delta x square. Okay. Now multiply this minus 2 in this bracket. So it is minus 2x and this is minus delta x plus 1 as it is and multiply by minus sign. So it sign will be changed, minus square plus 2x minus 1. Okay. And this is your delta x. Now you can observe that this plus x square and this minus x square get cancelled. So the terms remaining are, this term get cancelled. So 2x into delta x, write as it is, 2x into delta x plus delta x square is also as it is, minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. This minus delta x as it is and this plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Then divide by delta x. Now you can observe that in the numerator delta x is common in this 3 term. So take outside. When you take delta x outside, then the remaining terms are 2x plus delta x. Because delta x we take common, then remaining term here 2x, here square, so remaining delta x, and here remaining only minus 1 upon delta x. Now delta x get cancelled. So the factor which makes 0 or which make infinity, it is cancelled. Now you can apply the limit. So before that, first write as it is expression, or write remaining terms. Now apply the limits. So 2x as it is, delta x is 0, so it is 0 minus 1. So your answer is limit is equal to 2x minus 1. So this is your answer. Sorry student, here is one mistake. It is plus 1 and it is also plus 1. Okay. So sorry, it is right. It is plus 1 and it is minus 1 and it is cancel. Here is one mistake, that is when we multiply by 2, then it is 2x and it 2 delta x. So write here 2 delta x. Here is also 2 delta x, and when delta x is common, then remaining terms is 2. So it is minus 2. Sorry. So our answer is 2x minus 2. Sorry for that mistake. Now we move to our next example. Now next example, take it as limit L. So limit y tends to 1 by 2, and here suppose it is 1 cube minus 2y cube, because 2 cube is 8, and take y common, so it is 1 minus 4y square. Okay. Now we know that the formula of a cube minus b cube. What is that formula? A cube minus b cube, which is a minus b and into a square plus ab plus b square. So using that formula, 1 minus 2y 1 square plus 2y plus 4y square upon y, and write it as 2y square. So suppose it is 1 square minus 2y square. Now next, now it is a square minus b square, so a minus b, sorry, and a plus b. Okay. Now this 1 minus 2y get cancelled. Write remaining terms. Now you can apply the limit, because this factor is cancelled. You can observe that y minus 1 by 2, y tends to 1 by 2. So it is like that, y tends to 1 by 2. Then y minus 1 by 2 you have to remove, means it is 2y minus 1 or 1 minus 2y. So you have to remove this factor, and you can observe that you remove this factor 1 minus 2y. Now apply the limit. So it is when you apply the limit, then sign of limit is cancelled, because you apply the limit. Now so here put the value of limit, which is 2 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 2 square upon 1 by 2 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. So this 2 get cancel, this 4 cancel, 1 plus 1 plus 1 means it is 3. It is 2 get cancel, 1 plus 1 2 means your answer is only 3. So if you make calculation, then your answer is 3. Look at this 2 get cancelled, so 1 plus and this remaining plus 1. Now it's 1 by 2 square, 2 square is 4, so here 4 and this 4 get cancelled, so here remaining 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. And now denominator, so it is 1 by 2 and here 2 get cancelled, so addition 1 plus 1 which is 2, and this 2 get cancelled, so in this denominator only 1, so 3 upon 1 is 3. So your answer is 3. Now next example, take L. X tends to 1 means you have to remove x minus 1 factor. Take x common, so x minus 1. Here is minus 1. Here also take x common, so remaining terms are x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Now this is quadratic equation, so you have to find the factor of this. So 1 2 and the factor of this is minus 2 minus 1. So x square minus 3x plus 2, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, x common, so it is x minus 2 minus 1, x minus 2 means x minus 2 and x minus 1 is our factors. So right here x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay. Now take common denominator. So this 1 and these 2 terms are common. So write only 1, x minus 1, and write remaining terms. Don't write 2 times, it's enough only 1 time. Now in numerator, so here x minus 1, but here not x minus 2, so multiply it by x minus 2, and here also x minus 2, minus here x minus 1, x minus 2, so no need to multiply by any factor. Now this is limit x tends to 1, so here multiply x square, then minus 2x, then minus 2x and plus 4 minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2. So limit x tends to 1, x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 1 which is plus 3, and this is x minus 1, x minus 2. Now again we get quadratic equation. You can observe that this is x square minus 4x plus 3, so it is 3 minus 4 once. This is our factor. Sorry, this is minus 3 and minus 1. So x square minus 4x plus 3, x square minus 3x plus x, sorry, minus x minus plus 3. Take x common, x minus 3. When you take minus 1 common, then here x minus 3. So factor is x minus 3, x minus 1 means our factor is right. So write here x minus 1 and here x minus 3 and write denominator as it is. So x minus 1 get cancelled means our factor is cancelled. So write remaining terms and then apply the limit. One minus 3, 1 minus 2. So it is minus 2 upon minus 1. So this is 2. So this is our answer. Now observe, there are two quadratic equation and we solve this quadratic equation, then we get factor, and in second factor we get our required x minus 1 factor, then we remove this factor and then we apply the limit, so we get our answer. Now next example. So this is fourth power, this is third power, and we use here synthetic division to find factors. First write limit L okay. So for numerator, x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 2. So it is x raised to 4 means x raised to 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 0x, and this is plus 2. Okay. So to find the factor of this, write 1, 0, minus 3, 0 and 2. Now here x tends to 1 means we have to remove x minus 1 factor. So here take simple 1. This 1 into 1, 1. 0 plus what is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. And here we get 0. So our factor is, numerator is equal to, first this factor, so it is x minus 1. Now count the power 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is x cube minus x square minus 2x minus 2. So this is our numerator. So here is one mistake, it is plus 1, so write here plus. Okay. Now we move towards to find denominator. So denominator which is equal to, what is our denominator? This is our denominator. So x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Now here we also use synthetic division. So it is 1 minus 5, 3, 1. Take same factor which is 1. 1 into 1, 1 minus 5 plus 1 which is 4. Sorry, it is minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. It is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. So here we get 0. So factor of denominator is first this factor. So it is x minus 1. Now count 0, 1, 2. So x square minus 4x and minus 1. So this is the factorization of denominator. Now use factorization of this numerator and denominator. You can write here 1 and here 2. So L is equal to limit x tends to 1. So numerator is x minus 1 x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 2, and it is x minus 1 x square minus 4x minus 1, and you can write here from 1 and 2. So it is easy for understanding. Now this x minus 1 factor get cancelled. So write remaining terms. Apply the limit because factor which make it is infinity is removed. So after applying the limit, student remember that when you apply the limit, then sign of limit is eliminate. It will be removed because you apply the limit. So don't write sign of this limit. So here x tends to 1, so it is 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, this minus 2, 1 square is 1, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, and this is minus 1. So this is plus 1 and minus 2 cancel, so it is minus 2 upon minus 4, so it is 1 by 2. So this is the answer of our limit. Observe that we use here synthetic division because it is fourth power, and to factorize it synthetic division is very easy. So observe that example. Now we move toward next example. Now next example. So we have to factorize this and this. So we find separate factorization. Consider x square minus 3ax plus 2a square, which is equal to. So here multiplication 1 into 2 means 2 and minus 3. So minus 2 minus 1. This is our factor. So put here x square minus 2ax minus ax plus 2a square. Then take x common. So x minus 2a. Here minus a is common. So x minus 2a. Now this x minus 2a and this is x minus a. So here we get first factors of this expression. Now we have to find this also. So 2x square minus 3ax plus a square. 2 into 1, so 2, and minus 3 means minus 2 minus 1, so same factors. 2x square minus 2ax minus ax plus a square. Take 2x common, so here x minus a common, x minus a, so x minus a, and this is 2x minus a. Now put that factor in this expression, so we get L is equal to limit x tends to a 1 upon first factor x minus 2a x minus a plus 1 upon x minus a, and this is 2x minus a. Now make common denominator. For that, first observe factors 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is common factor, so write it one time only and write remaining factors. Okay, now here x minus 2a, x minus a, x minus a, x minus 2a, this factor, so multiply by this 1 into 2x minus 1, it is 2x minus a, plus now here x minus a, 2x minus a, so this factor x minus 2a. So 2x minus a plus x minus 2a. So it is 3x minus 3a. It is x tends to a, means you have to remove x minus a factor. Okay. Now take 3 common. X minus a cancel. Now write remaining terms. And apply the limit. So when we apply the limit, then remove the sign of limit. X minus, sorry, here it is a minus 2a, here 2a minus a. So it is 3. A minus 2a means it is minus a. Here 2a minus a means it is a. So our answer is 3 minus 3 upon a square. So this is our answer. Observe that. So today we stop here, and here we complete our exercise 7.2 and try to solve the remaining sums of exercise 7.2, and in next lecture we start a new method, that is method of rationalization. Thank you.